Woohoo! Little Mario Kart action here. Hopefully not too much Mario Kart action. We're just doing laps. Late December back in '63. What a very special time for me. As I'll remember what a night. Come on, 60.
On your right.
Well, I didn't even know her name. Never gonna be the same. As I was lady, what a night. I'm gonna screw up words so often. Why? I got a funny feeling when she walked me in the room, yeah, and as I recall, it ended much too soon.
146, 1-3.
Getting close to you, Greenie. Come here, baby.
Okay, Matthew, Green, good job. The gap is now 1.3. Slower than us, 2, turn 11. Gap was at 147.2. Good lap. That's your quickest so far.
Oh. Come here, baby. I got you now. Oh. Woo.
Keep it up. Fastest lap for Rajatanowicz, 145.6. Rajatanowicz is now leading.
Oh, that felt good. That felt like a nice exit. Like your mom's. Oh, talk about moving. Gotta move on. Gotta move on. Fuck you! Oh shit! My bad. I hope that's still in the right spot. As I flipped off the other driver. I hate not being able to see shit. Oh, pure that one.
1.9. He's slow into corkscrew.
Your mom's slowing the corkscrew. Ooh, good song. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me. Our lover stands on golden sands, watching the ships that they go sailing. Somewhere beyond the shore, he's there waiting for me. Woo! Wow! Oh, I love my race car bed. Race car bed is so much fun. If you have the means, I highly recommend picking one up. It's very choice.